Condition Pacers lined up for tonight's 7th race Superfecta. Field of 8. The run gate. And they're off. Mobile Big John, the favorite, charges out from the center of the track. Title Shot left alertly alongside as McCardle Star protects inside position as they race into that opening turn. It's Mobile Big John there from along the pylons. Title Shot, the 13-year-old, though, sweeps up on the outside for control. McCardle Star is in behind the top pair from third. Real Escape came away in fourth in front of Copper Cat. Franchise Attack back in sixth. Noah C. preferred stock, the early trailers, as the race single file past the opening marker, 28-4. Title Shot on top here at 5-1. Title Chop still the champ here towards the half. It's a gap of 2 down to Mobile Big John, who races in the loose pocket spot second. McCardle Star content to track in third as Real Escape is now underway first over from fourth. Copper Cat picks up that cover to the outside second over fifth. Franchise Attack moves up a third over from sixth as Noah C is to the outside seventh. Preferred stock still the trailer. They race past the half, 57-2, 28-3 for that second quarter. And Title Shot still remains on top here as Real Escape is now only a length and a half back of the outside second. Mobile Big John, he's been in a race gapped off slightly the entire mile from third. Copper Cat sets it up perfectly second over fourth with 3/8 of a mile to go. Franchise Attack is up on the outside of fifth as McCardle Star continues to save ground around the far turn. Title Shot, though, still the one to reel in. Past 3/4 in 1:25-3. Mobile Big John into the outside, a challenge from a second. Real Escape going to have to pick it up from third. They turn for home. It's Title Shot still on top. Mobile Big John comes under a drive in second. McCardle Star's back up the inside. Title Shot still the champ at mid-stretch. Mobile Big John dives down to the inside to take a shot. They come down to the finish. Title Shot still there. Mobile Big John is trying, but it's Title Shot. Title Shot, the 13-year-old, takes it. Mobile Big John digs in for second. Very tight finish for third there. It was either Real Escape